What's up, friends? It's your boy. Finally arrived at the drop-off point for this 3-week trip. I'll be going in and surviving in the Herbert Gorge, living off the land. I've got some simple camping equipment, small water filter and some fishing gear. I'll bring no food in with me to see how well I do surviving. I'll record as much as I can and it'll all be pretty raw footage. I won't do any editing apart from maybe clipping off when I actually start recording. It has just stopped raining, so I might actually be able to reach a spot without getting saturated, but I do not like my chances. Let's go. Yee, first day of the 3-week adventure. Hiked for about half a day from the car. It's absolutely pissing down rain. I snuck into my tent, had a nap back out here, trying to get some food. First time. Herbert River's just behind me there. And I reckon I've got around about 40 minutes before it starts raining again. So let's try and get some food so I actually eat today. Sweet. Yep, not a whole lot of catching going on today. All of the rain sort of swollen the river, which kind of sucks for me because all the fish are not biting. So I'll be heading back into the bush to find some edible plants and fruit. Yee, out here collecting edible plants for dinner or whatever. I've come across a plant that you really do need to be careful of. It's this bloke right here. This is a conjavoy. It can be confused with a taro plant, which is edible. But you can see right on the margin of the leaf here, it starts right at the very edge. That's a telltale sign. This plant is extremely poisonous. And yeah, there's a lot of poisonings that happen in gardens every year. So one to be careful of. Pretty solid find out here in the bush. Looking for fruit and plants to eat today, and came across this. This is a guava tree. So I'm pretty sure guava are actually introduced, but these guys are naturalized. Birds have spread them around, and yeah, there's plenty of fruit around to find and eat, so score. So let's go through a survival tip for the day. Let's go through the priority list for survival. So most people should know this one by now, but really when you're in a survival situation, you need to look for shelter, water, fire, and food. Now I brought a tent in with me, so it's no longer a problem. There's obviously a lot of water around, too much water around, and so the next two things for me are fire and food. Now it is too wet for me to bother trying to start a fire out here, so I'm skipping that one and going straight to food. Plenty of things that I can eat raw around here, and I do have an emergency burner if I need to start cooking up meat or cooking up plants that I need to. So there you go.